Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellie, and this video is for students. I will be showing you how to create an account and join your teacher's class, whether you have been given an email invitation or the class code. So let's get started. If you have been given the class code, the first step is to go to ellie.com/students. Click the blue I'm New button and choose whether you would like to sign up with Google or Clever, or press the Create Account button below to continue with your email. Enter in the class code that was given to you by your teacher. Below you will see the class name and your teacher's name. If this is incorrect, please ask your teacher and make sure that you have the correct class code. Click the blue button in the bottom right corner to proceed. Enter your first and last name, and again click the blue Next button in the bottom right corner. Here you will enter your email address and click the blue Next button and create a password for your account. This is what you will use when you log in. You can click the eye icon to the right to see what you have typed before clicking the blue Next button to proceed. Once you have entered all of your information, you will land on this summary page. Check off the box next to Ellie's Terms and Privacy Policy and click the blue Join Class button to create your account and join your class. If you have been given an email invitation, go to your inbox, click that invitation, and click the blue Join Now button directly on the email. This will bring you to the Ellie Students page where you can click I'm New, select how you would like to create your account. If you'd like to proceed with your email, click the Create Account button and type in your first and last name. Click the blue Next button, enter your email and click Next again. Create a password, click Next, and review the summary before agreeing to Ellie's Terms and Privacy Policy and clicking the blue Join Class button. You will land on your student homepage where you can click your class and begin working on any lessons assigned to you. That's it for this video on how to sign up as a student. I hope it was helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions. Happy learning!
Ellie.